Ever searched for best TV box no monthly fees at 2 a.m. and somehow ended up watching reviews longer than a Netflix series? Yeah, same. So I tested the SuperBox Supreme and let me save you the headache. If you're here, you're probably wondering, is this thing actually worth using or just another flashy Android box? Stick around, I'll break it down honestly. First, the basics. The SuperBox Extreme runs on Android 12, has Wi-Fi 6, 4GB RAM, and 128GB storage. Translation, it's fast enough for daily use, smooth menus, and zero why is this loading moments. I've used it for weeks and performance stays consistent. Now here's where it gets interesting. This box lets you pause live TV, record shows, and even watch 4 channels at the same time. Game day, news overload, multi-view actually works. And no, it doesn't crash when you push it. Live TV quality sits mostly at 720p to 1080p. Not fake 4K hype, just clean, stable streams. What matters more is uptime and in real use. Channels stay up about 97 to 98% of the time, which honestly surprised me. Movies and TV shows, you get massive on-demand libraries, organized by genre and year, with search that actually finds what you type. No endless scrolling, I use this part daily. Now let's be real about limitations. This is not for gaming, this is not for official apps like Netflix or Disney Plus and audio files. This isn't your Dolby Atmos Dreambox. But if your goal is cutting cable, watching live TV, sports, movies, and recording shows without monthly stress, this thing delivers. So worth it if you understand what it's built for, yes. If not, skip it. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.